Okay, it's running.
Now put the Sprite mix.
Okay.
Then, there's my other one. Hello. There.
Is that for mixing? Yeah, it's for mixing. Hey, Yanni, you did not introduce yourself first to the audience. Could you please introduce yourself first? You're throwing all the trash first. Okay. Very good. Mhm. What's that?
Payment.
Okay.
Wallet. This is wallet.
Wallet, or you put it in you put your ID in your wallet. Nice, huh? Is that a real food? Wow. By the way, Yanni, what are you cooking? You're pretending to cook something, right? What's that? You're 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 mixing everything, huh? Okay. Oh, so it could be a nice food, huh? Because you're mixing everything in the calf.
Oven.
You go to the oven, you cook it in the oven, huh? Okay.
Make it simple.
Oven near electric pan, you know? Okay. And then, oh, what's that? Oh, it become cold, right? Because the the wind will make it cold. Then, what's that now?
I put this
Where will you put that?
B-store.
In the door. Oh, okay. So that the guests will know that you are around. Huh? Oh, what happened to your feet? So itchy. Okay. I think Yanni, we have to end this cooking lesson, huh? Just say hi to your audience. Hi. Say hi. Yanni, face the audience. Yanni, face the audience. Say hi. Because I will upload it in FB.
Hi,
Okay.
everyone. I'm cooking poo-poo.